Number 41 on page 262 asks us to use a graphing calculator to sketch the graph and to find the y-intercept and the horizontal asymptotes. So I'm going to first find those algebraically, and then we can confirm them on the graph. So the first one is the y-intercept. The y-intercept happens when x equals 0. So if I substitute 0 in for x, I get 12 over 1 plus 2 times 0.8 to the 0 power. So that'll be 1. So I get 12 over 1 plus 2 times 1. So that's 12 over 3, which is 4. So the y-intercept is 0, 4. Now the horizontal asymptotes from the definition that we were given are going to be, one is at y equals 0, and the other one is at y equals c. And in this case, c is 12. So our other horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 12. Now putting this in our graphing calculator and looking at the graph, there's the function, and then what I did is I graphed not only the function, but also the two horizontal asymptotes. And we can definitely see that we have two horizontal asymptotes, one at 0, one at 12. And we have a y-intercept right there. And you can see on the window that I counted by 2s, but going by odd numbers. So we end up at 4.